In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a co-host on Zoom. If you're hosting a Zoom meeting and you want someone else to help you manage participants, handle meeting controls, or support the session while you present, assigning a co-host is a very useful feature. It can make your meeting run much more smoothly, especially if you're leading a class, a team call, or a webinar-style discussion. To get started, make sure you are already inside your Zoom meeting as the host, because only the host can assign someone as a co-host. Once you're in the meeting, look at the toolbar, usually located at the bottom of the Zoom window, and click on Participants. This will open the Participants panel where you can see everyone who has joined the meeting. In that panel, find the participant you want to promote to co-host. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct person, since this role gives them added permissions to help manage the meeting. After you locate their name, look beside that participant for the 3 dots, which open more options. Click on those 3 dots to bring up the menu of available actions. From the menu that appears, click on Make a Co-host. Zoom may ask you to confirm this choice, depending on your version of the app. If it does, simply confirm the action, and that participant will immediately become a co-host in the meeting. Once assigned, the new co-host will be able to assist with several meeting management tasks, which can be especially helpful if you need support during the session. For example, they may be able to help monitor participants, manage certain meeting features, and keep things organized while you focus on speaking or presenting. If you don't see the co-host option, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, make sure co-host functionality is enabled in your Zoom account settings. Also, be sure that you're signed in as the host and not just a participant in the meeting. Those details can affect whether the option appears. And that's all it takes to add a co-host on Zoom.